Well, hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to get mobile data abroad without roaming fees. If you're stepping off an international flight, watching your smartphone display slide from your home network to a foreign provider can trigger an immediate sense of financial dread. For decades, traditional telecom companies have treated cross-border travel as a highly lucrative cash cow, slapping unsuspecting subscribers with predatory international roaming rates that can easily scale into hundreds or thousands of dollars for a single week of casual internet usage. Novice travelers often find out the hard way that simply keeping their device active in their pocket to look up map routes, respond to urgent work emails, or stream a short video can result in a catastrophic bill shock upon returning home. And that's why we have Airalo. And if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can use my link down below in the description to get your international eSIM and mobile data with Airalo. To outmaneuver international roaming charges, you must first comprehend exactly how your home carrier build these matrices behind the scenes. When you travel cross-border, your domestic network provider does not own any physical cell towers in your destination country. Instead, they broker expensive institutional data sharing agreements with foreign telecommunication networks to let your phone piggyback off their infrastructure. Because these inter-carrier connection rates are inherently high and layered with substantial corporate markup, your home network passes those massive operational premium fees directly down to you. Many major carriers attempt to frame this convenience as a benefit by offering daily international travel passes or flat day plans that typically hover around $10 to $15 per day. While this sounds predictable on paper, a standard 2-week vacation instantly adds an extra $140 to $210 to your monthly billing cycle per device. Even worse, if you operate without a fixed daily pass on a standard pay-as-you-go tier, you can be penalized with exorbitant per megabyte data rates that convert basic background app updates into massive financial liabilities. The most dangerous element of traveling with an unmanaged device is the sheer volume of mobile data your phone consumes completely without your explicit permission. Modern operating systems are designed to constantly communicate with remote servers to ensure your apps remain perfectly synced. Your phone libraries back up to the cloud and your notification feeds update in real time. While this continuous synchronization creates a flawless user experience under a standard domestic international unlimited data plan, it becomes an incredibly expensive problem the second your device handshakes with a foreign tower. To establish a rock-solid line of defense before you even pack your bags, you must aggressively adjust your phone's internal application behavior. Venture into your core system's menu to completely disable automatic app updates and restrict background app refresh exclusively to your Wi-Fi connections. For decades, seasoned globetrotters relied heavily on purchasing localized physical plastic SIM cards at airport arrival kiosks to secure native network pricing. While this method remained highly cost-effective, it introduces significant friction, requiring you to queue up after long flights, fill out foreign registration paperwork, handling microscopic plastic cards with a tray tool, and temporarily discard your primary home SIM chip altogether. However, the development of embedded SIM or eSIM technology completely bypasses this entire mechanical hassle by digitizing the network profile into pure software. Before we go ahead, I would like to remind you that if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can use my link down below in the description to get your international eSIM and mobile data with Airalo. Now, an eSIM is a programmable microscopic chip manufactured directly onto your smartphone's motherboard, thus allowing you to browse, purchase, and instantly download fully localized or regional prepaid data plans directly from a global marketplace like Airalo, because these data profiles connect you directly to your local telecom partners at baseline domestic rate. You completely bypass your home carrier's expensive brokered billing agreements, keeping your travel data costs transparent, fixed, and completely under your personal control. Now, one of the greatest engineering advantages of adopting a digital eSIM framework is the unique capability to leverage dual SIM, dual standby functionality. Most modern smartphones allow you to keep your primary physical or digital home SIM active alongside your newly downloaded international travel profile simultaneously, allowing you to maintain full access to your standard identity. To configure this matrix safely without incurring penalty fees, you must assign distinct operational tasks to each individual line. In your device cellular settings, configure your primary home line exclusively for voice calls and standard SMS text messages, as this ensures you can still receive critical two-factor authentication codes and urgent phone calls from home while abroad. Next, explicitly assign your mobile data routing to your travel eSIM profile by designating the travel profile as the exclusive pipeline for all web traffic, maps, and app messaging, while simultaneously keeping your home line's data roaming toggle completely off. Your device remains safely anchored to local rates while triggering your home carrier's expensive data roaming protocols. For digital nomads, backpackers, or business executives navigating complex multi-destination itineraries across a single trip, managing separate local profiles for every individual country can rapidly become a tedious administrative chore. If you're catching a train across Europe or taking a multi-stop flight path through Asia, changing your network configurations at every single border crossing introduces unnecessary room for error. To solve this operational bottleneck, the modern eSIM architecture offers highly flexible geographic scaling options through regional and global data packages. Instead of purchasing a single country profile, you can deploy a unified regional option such as Airalo's Eurolink or AsiaLink packages, which grant you consistent, unbroken network access across dozens of neighboring nations under a single installation. For extensive world tours, a comprehensive global profile covers over 100 countries across multiple continents simultaneously. These expansive frameworks dynamically reroute your signal to the strongest local partner network the moment you cross an international border, thus removing the need to reconfigure your settings while maintaining a completely uniform prepaid cost structure throughout your entire journey. Now, while securing an affordable, high-speed international data line grants you incredible freedom, the final layer of defensive travel planning involves minimizing your actual real-time data dependency through proactive offline device preparation. Relying on live cellular networks to continuously pull down high-definition maps, translate street signs, or stream entertainment media can unnecessarily exhaust your prepaid data allotments. Before you disconnect from your domestic home internet connection, open your navigation applications to manually download comprehensive offline maps of your entire target destination cities. These cache files utilize your phone's internal GPS hardware, which works flawlessly anywhere on Earth with absolute zero network data consumption. Additionally, download localized offline translation databases, sync your favorite music playlist for offline playback, and queue up any critical travel documentation or hotel vouchers directly into your local PDF storage. Minimizing your active real-time download requirement allows your travel data plan to stay focused purely on essential communications, rideshare bookings, and emergency lookups, extending your digital mileage dramatically. Eliminating international roaming fees from your travel expenses ultimately comes down to tracking active, deliberate control over your smartphone's cellular architecture. By stepping away from the costly convenience of your home carrier's daily passes, modifying your app behavior to eliminate hidden background sync leaks, and deploying prepaid digital eSIM profiles before you take off, you permanently insulate your finances from unexpected billing surprises while securing instant, high-speed global connectivity. So if you want to stay connected while traveling, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get international eSIM and mobile data with Airalo. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.